If you guys want to see how I remove this acrylic set, then keep on watching. So she wanted to keep the length of her natural nails, so I just flipped over her nails and clipped off all of the excess tip. Next, I'm going in with an electric file and just trying to remove the shine from the nails because I'm going to get ready for a soak off, and soak offs don't work unless you get rid of the top layer of the nail. So I'm just trying to take off as much bulk as I can before I actually soak off the nails. So now I'm going to put 100% acetone on a cotton ball and then just put on the nail clips that I got off of Amazon. And you want to make sure the cotton ball is pretty much soaked, and I'm going to leave this on for the duration of like how long it takes me to do her other hand. So I do one hand at a time. Now I'm just going to take it off and then use a little cuticle tool, also like a pusher, to just take off all of like the excess acrylic. Then I'm going to use a little grit file to just take off a lot of the rest of the product, and then I'm just going to put back on the cotton pad that has the acetone on it just so I can get more of it soaked off. But I'm trying to be like a little gentle. I know it may not look like it, but it is like I'm removing it gentle because I'm going to do her nails after this, and it's going to be a gel manicure, so I want her nails to be nice and strong. So after that second round of soaking, everything should almost be like almost completely off. I'm still using the pusher to take off some of the dip powder because since it was dip, it's like very adhered to the nails, and since it's red, it's pretty prominent, so that does make it a little bit difficult. But yeah, I'm just pushing off as much as I can, and then I'm gonna get my e-file one more time and just drill off anything that was left onto the nails, and then I'm just gonna buff up the nails and they're pretty much done. So that is how you successfully do an acrylic soak off without damaging the natural nails.